Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mix videos with music effects and transition with only one click using the ShotCut AutoCut feature. So here on the ShotCut homepage, you can easily see this one, AI AutoCut. So when you click on this, and using this feature, you can mix imported clips with music, text, transition, effects, and filters with only one click. You can start by click on create and just select your videos or maybe photos. So after you choose your videos, you can also do the automatic trimming in here. And after that, just click on next. So after you click on next, so ShotCut will automatically add music effects and transitions to the videos, and you can see the results in here. If you like it, you can just click on export and it will be saved to your gallery. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.